Set to report earnings after the close today. Taking a look at what to expect, you're looking at earnings potentially coming in 32 cents a share. That would be a triple-digit growth. In terms of revenue here, you're looking at almost $3 billion in revenue is the estimate. That would be 30% growth. But it's all going to be about how many users they signed up. Paul, what's it going to be?
Yeah, they're another big quarter for subscription net additions. And you're right. That's exactly what shareholders are really focusing on here is the net adds of their subscribers. Particularly internationally, that is really the area that is really showing the growth, and the international part of the subscriber base has actually eclipsed that of the United States. So this is an international subscriber growth story. The company's in just about every market around the world with a notable exception of China. So investors will focus on the subscriber net adds for the quarter.
But Jeff, they're getting all those subscribers in part by investing an awful lot in content. And that's often the case you see with these digital companies as they grow up. They can really grow fast, but they have to put a lot of money in before they can really turn it around. Is that a cause for concern if you're an investor?
Well, it's certainly a risk. You've got to develop content. It's expensive, and then does it work or not? But I think that the longer-term picture is the right way. The focus on international is key. You know, the rest of the world far more into mobile than the U.S. is. Transactions on mobile, viewing things on mobile. You know, if you look at particularly the emerging markets, Africa is certainly a big standout there where, you know, there are some countries where a third of GDP is transacted over a cell phone. People live on their cell phones even more so than in the U.S. That's critical for growth and certainly speaks to a very wide still opportunity set for big companies like this.
So Paul, certainly Netflix got a big head start on the competitors. Are there competitors coming along, including, for example, Amazon, which is investing an awful lot of money right now in content? Are there competitors that could really give Netflix a run for its money, or does it have a moat around its business at this point?
I don't think they have a moat around their business, but they clearly are the leader when you just look at subscribers with over 100 million subscribers. But Amazon clearly is a big, dominant #2 player with a huge wallet, and they continue to invest in original programming themselves. And Hulu is out there in the marketplace, and I think you're going to see more of the big media companies like the Walt Disney Company start going more and more direct to their consumers, and Disney just announced an ESPN product. So I think there's going to be a lot more competition, and in international markets, there's also local competition.
Hey, Jeff.